the entire electromagnetic spectrum, which is vast. We're talking everything from that power coming at your outlet to X rays and gamma rays and light in between that. All of that would be affecting our biology in some regard. And thinking, what is the electromagnetic spectrum that we are designed to take as an input signal? And it's simple. As an engineer, if you want to align the outputs of a system, which the outputs of our system is energy, vitality, having that ability, that drive, the relationships, everything. The inputs need to be aligned. And the inputs we're designed to take is the solar spectrum without filtration or dilution or alteration, which is everything from ultraviolet light to infrared and far infrared. Anything that makes it to the surface of the earth from the sun is a natural electromagnetic input.